Why can I not talk? Channel, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my channel, welcome back. I thought it was over, but it wasn't. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, and today we are doing a synthetic wig review. So if that's what you're looking for, you found it, so you should subscribe right now. Subscribe. If you've already subscribed and you're one of my little doll babies, hi doll baby, so glad to see you. Now we are doing a newer wig from Red Carpet Premiere, which is a main concept wig, and this is their Fleaky Sleak lace front.
Yeah, I like this.
I have Miss Pebble, and I have her in the color SH427. She's a 6-inch deep parting. I got a bunch of these on Poshmark from a woman that I get newer wigs from, so I will put down below where you can get her and how much. It says it's a slicked back hairline. Oh, benefits. There's benefits. It's a slicked back hairline, 6-inch deep lace part, baby hair, 100% tied lace, soft natural texture, adjustable combs, and straps. So let's get her. Okay, this is her. So pretty. I love the coloring on this. She's just looking like you did a little barrel wave. It is sort of a yucky texture. It looks like a little barrel wave situation. Here you can see the baby hairs, the parting. She does have 2 combs in the front right near the part. I don't really love that, but whatever. Then she has a comb in the back and the adjustable straps. So let me get her on, do what I do, and then I will come back and talk about my final thoughts on Miss Pebble. Okay, see you in a minute. Together. She didn't take long. I absolutely love this wig. She's a light yucky texture, and she does have these sort of barrel curls that you can either make it so it's like tamed like that, or you can sort of fluff it back. I don't have the combs in, or fluff it like that. So you can do that slick back thing. I ended up cutting the baby hairs off just because my hairline always falls in a place where baby hairs just don't work. Also, she's probably about 18 inches long. 16 to 18. You will get a little bit of tangling, but it comes out pretty easily because it is a light yaki texture. I would say this texture is definitely multicultural. I love just the little bit of highlights this has. It's definitely a true number 4, a dark brown. She's meant to be a middle part. I did shift her a little bit. Let me show you. I don't have the combs in, so I can kind of show you now. I flattened her out a little bit because I put heat on her, but this would be her in the middle, and this would be shifted a little bit to the left. So I do feel like she could shift. I have a little extra lace there, but that could be cut back. So I do feel like she is shiftable, even though it doesn't necessarily say that. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, the movement is good. Oh, look how cute. So pretty in the back. So pretty. I am 5'6.5", so this is where she falls on me. I really love this wig. Absolutely. I feel like you could easily just put her up in any kind of way. So flirty, so beautiful. I'm really pleased with this wig. Oh yeah, a little tuck back situation. For sure. I probably am. She might make it into my permanent collection. Who knows? So if you have this wig, let me know your thoughts down below. If there's another wig from this line you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.